Hello everyone! Many of you asked about my special mounting system for my navigation, so let me show you that today. First of all, there is a special 3D printed item which holds the mount, and yeah, it works pretty nicely and holds this wonderful thing above it. I will show you details how it's here fixed, and on the other side with these special mounting tools which can be set to any different shape and size as you prefer. The main part is this. The upper part, this one, comes from China and made of Chinesium, and it's a part of another mounting system which doesn't fit my phones. So I decided 3D print my own version, and it worked, yes, semi-nicely. As you can see here, I made some modifications to it with my saw. Alright, let me show how to mount the phone to this system. Not from this side, but maybe from here. No, still not working. Okay, there is this special tool which I can make the mount open and close. So I just put the phone in, yeah, like this, and I close the upper part like this, and I can close the screw here, and then finally just mount the special holding bracket to it, as you can see. Yeah, like that. Now the phone is in the socket. You can reach the buttons really nicely. You can see the screen. You can even tilt it up and down depending on the position you are standing or sitting on the bike. Navigating on the phone, you might think, is a little bit tricky, but you can move your fingers anywhere on the screen where you can. It's maybe a little bit limited because of this stripe here, but yeah, we must take some sacrifice for the better good, for the better mounting systems, just like this, which holds your phone stable and secure. I hope you like my tutorial about my special mounting tool. If you did, like and subscribe. Don't forget to push the buttons everywhere and watch my other videos and like and subscribe. Did I say that already? Yeah, maybe I did, but doesn't matter. This is how a tutorial and review video is supposed to look like, even if I hate it. Are we done? Can I go home? Right?